don't want to know. Fine. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These types of videos are gonna pop up on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays when life permits, and life has been special lately. Let me tell you. I'm not gonna tell you, but it's a thing. Yeah. Also, if you like this type of video, you can of course hit the like and subscribe button, because that's what they're there for you to let me know you enjoyed it. Also, there's a playlist. There is a playlist that includes everything eyeshadow related, because we're doing eyeshadows today. We're coming back in. Number 2. Take two with my Huda Beauty Purple Haze Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And I don't know if you've seen the first video, it did not go well. Just going through here, this is not my favorite color anymore. Well, I mean, like, it's still a great color, but out of this palette, no. Kind of no. It's just, it did not go well. No. And I mean, I edited the video. I did while editing my video, I don't know, I still felt the same emotions. Like, I had such high hopes because Huda Beauty is such a big brand, and I've never tried their products or their eyeshadows before, I should say. I've never tried their eyeshadows. Turns out I've tried a lot of their lippies and I absolutely love them. They're amazing. But the shadows just were not for me. But watching other videos, I know purple, but I know purple is a hard color to make from what I've heard. I mean, ColourPop seems to get it down, but that's ColourPop. They are like the exception to all the rules. But I wonder if it's just kind of difficult for this palette, or maybe I got a bad batch. So what I want to do today is come in with more of these colors and see if I can, I don't know, make them work for me, make it better. Make this palette better, because otherwise I'm just gonna get rid of it. I don't like that it's not great. I really wish that it was better, but it's not. Let me as I pull my hair forward, let me pull my hair back. I'm gonna come in with this little cutie just to make sure nothing gets all up in my eyes while we're going through. I do like that this has a mirror though. It has a mirror, so that way I'm not juggling my palette and then my other mirror. It's nice. I hope this works. I do. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the Huda Beauty palettes, if you've tried the Purple Haze Obsessions one, if it's worked for you, if you had to do anything special. Am I doing something like wrong? Because that's what I kept thinking. Like, at first I was angry when I tried it on, and then going through like the editing process, I'm just like, did I do something wrong? Oh, my hair's like a mess. I did everything I normally do, but is that not correct? Like, is there something special you need to do? I mean, today I applied my normal, well, not normal, but my fancier, because this is gonna last me all day into the night. Like, we're going out and not coming back home until late, but a lot going on. So I have on all my normal that I have on is my primer. I've been using this. It doesn't matter if I'm going for an inexpensive, a high-end, a fancy, an everyday, whatever. If I apply eyeshadow, this goes on my eyes. It's from the Beauty Crop. It's the Stuck On You eyeshadow primer. I love it. Love it. Love it. I'm stalling. I don't know if you can tell. I'm kind of nervous. So let's just come in. I pulled what I think is the same brushes from the same brushes from the first go around. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. So we're just gonna come in, and I'm hoping this works well. I want to come in with this little cutie here. They don't have names, by the way. So this cutie for my transition shade right here, And then what I do is I go in and I kind of not pack it, but like pat it into my crease and then buff it above and below. Okay. 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 Okie dokie. Buffed. Good. Okay. Looking pretty nice. I mean, honestly, if I was going for a quick days kind of like look, I can go in with just this and it would look great. That's honestly what I was thinking when I was editing the video, and I came in with this purple shade first before. I was like, damn, I could have just left it like that and Anyway, next I'm gonna come in with I don't know. This is hard. I kind of want to do this purple on my lid. Yeah. Okay. Purple little buddy right here on my lid. And I'm just going to buff it around. I'm going to use that mirror. No. Yeah. Here we go. All right. I really do enjoy this a lot. These, just two together, so pretty. I love mattes though, so. Just a smidge. Every time, just a smidge. I'm gonna come in with my little darker, browner buddy right here. Tappa, tappa, smidge, smidge. Ooh, I probably should use a smaller brush. It's okay. And I'm going to come into my crease. I'm going to start with the outside and swoosh it in just to give the crease a little bit more depth. Yes, it's a yes. This is a yes for me. Yes. I feel like we're doing good so far. And then I want to come in with this little shimmer right here, my little shim cherie. Let me get a teeny tiny little brush on. Shim cherie right here. And we're going to do the inner, like little dibbity dab corner part of the eye. The first shimmer I brought in. Everything else is matte. We're still pretty. Oh, I like that. It's like baby glitters. So pretty. So shimmer. It's not a full-on color. Just some shinies. Other side. That came out pretty. Hear me out though. Hear me out. And just a little bit. Hear me out. I want to come in with this little shiny shine purple right here. Just a little bit along my lid. Yes. Yes. Pretty. A little bit too much, but still pretty. I like it. I'm always going one step. Well, not always, but one step too far. That's okay. Pretty. This is pretty. Yes. Really quick. While I have a fat flat brush, I'm gonna come in with this purple and do my bottom lash. Same purple. Yes, 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 yes. And mascara. But I just want to let you know, this is nice. I really like this. Maybe, like, hear me out here. Maybe just stay away from these colors. Like, just that whole row. Don't touch it. Everything else, though, is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I love it. And just to tie everything together, I'm going to come in with my Huda Beauty lip pencil, or, yeah, lip contour in Trophy Wife. Alright, so I come in with my liner And I'm kind of filling my lips because this color is, one, beautiful, and two, it lasts for a long time. And then I'll come in with a chapstick. What other ones do I have? Chapstick, 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 chapstick. I have like a whole thing. I come in with some chapstick, some lip oil, some lip something to make my lips feel great, good, what have you. And I'll just take a bit, or depending, ooh, that's like a lot. I'll come in with some, what is this? This is the from 4th Ray Beauty. It's a lip mask, but I used it for chapstick because it's amazing. And I just dab it over, rub it in, and it's so perfect. It is so perfect. It's like a tinted lip oil, tinted chapstick, tinted lip moisturizer. It's beautiful. And I mean, this palette is beautiful. I love it. I did, honestly, I thought I was gonna have like a flop number 2 video, but here we are, number 2, and I love it. I do. I had high hopes, and they're here. Is it amazing, wow, great, fantastic, best I've ever had? No. I'm keeping it. I'm using it. We're loving it. I'm gonna try for softer looks with this though, just because it seems like that's what really works. I mean, do you guys get use out of the whole palette, or is there like some colors that don't work for you that do? I'm still hooked on, like, maybe it's just me. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know in the comments down below though if it works for you. If there's something like a trick or like a step I'm missing, let me know. I will let you go though, because I'm gonna go take a ton of pictures right now. I will catch you next time. Remember, Thursdays and Sundays. Bye.